Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, helpful video to any of you having a GMC Sierra this generation here from 2014 to year 2018. If you need to find fuses, relays for the trailer brake controller, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. You can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The trailer brake controller, where we can expect to find the fuses and relays guys, we'll demonstrate on that GMC Sierra here. By the way guys, today we'll be working easy to get to fuse box, but you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What we guys need to do now, we need to open the hood. Now here things may differ for some years, okay, we'll talk about that, but once you open the hood, the main engine fuse box is on the driver's side next to the brake fluid reservoir. Remove that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Now before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, if we zoom in, we need to check one fuse. That's a 2018 model fuse box. 2014, 15, 16, 17, there will be minor differences, we'll show in a second as well. For 2018 model, we need to guys check fuse number 1. And fuse number 1, we're talking about a 30 amp fuse, that's a trailer brake controller that you need to check. Now, if you guys have 2014 through 2017, there will be minor differences, but it will still be the same fuse. Fuse number 1 that you will guys need to check. So you don't have relays, practically that's the only thing you need to check. It's known as a relay fuse on your GMC Sierra. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.